Today we're at the Center of the Metal Arts.
For the Metal Arts.
For the Metal Arts. Center for the Metal Arts. The old Cambria shop in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. Where are we again?
Where are we?
We're gonna be shooting some cool videos, and I'm using a Glidecam strictly for this. So let's get our Glidecam on. So we're gonna go in here. I'm gonna show you all this stuff, and we're gonna get some good video. All right, so it's super cold out here, and it's super cold in there. So yeah, so now I gotta get my camera gear set up. I'm using the Glidecam Devon Graham series. Super cold. Today we're shooting on the 7D 16 to 35 millimeter lens. And I'm gonna be using a Rode mic because I love that mic. Always format your camera before you go into a shoot so that it's ready to go. Here's what I like about the Glidecam Devon Graham series is because it's super fast, and we have to work fast today. And let's rock and roll. All right, so that's a wrap. We got some good video for Glidecam, got some good footage, and now we're headed back to Ohio.
We're real excited to be up and running in our new shop here in Johnstown, Pennsylvania.
Today we're going to focus on making 3 legs and then the 2 triangles. So we're going to use 1-inch square bar and 1/4-inch plate for the triangle. sit really nicely on the forged part. And then I'll use a pencil or a scribe to find that hole. And this is our leg that needs this third one here. Just continuing that line all the way around. For this workshop, we're making a stand called a dead man, and it's something used in the blacksmith shop and other shops for basically a third arm, like holding up material. So we decided to turn it into a workshop. The Dead Man, I really fell in love with the first one they had made a couple of years ago. Not only the pure functionality of it, but also aesthetically, I found it to be quite pleasing.